back to Kim's Farmhouse Life. Today we have a grocery haul for y'all. We went to Walmart and got some groceries. So before we show you what we got, make sure you subscribe, turn the post notifications on, like this video, and comment if you like it. Okay guys, let's get straight into it. So,
do y'all want to know a secret?
What?
All this stuff I had put away, and then I remembered that we hadn't done the grocery haul, so I pulled it all back out because we hadn't done one in a while. So
we have some ham and cheddar Hot Pockets, some garlic Texas toast, and this is the Great Value brand.
And it's actually really good.
Yeah. We have these. These are really good. The Snaps cheddar cheese pepper bites.
I like those. We put them in our air fryer.
Yeah, and then we have the Snaps mozzarella sticks.
And they're only $1 a box, y'all.
Yeah, like they don't have too many though. They're
but it's good for
like
little snack.
Yeah. We have some Great Value mild cheddar cheese. We have some black eyed peas.
I'm going to attempt to make black eyed peas for the first time ever.
We have some Driscoll's strawberries.
Whoa!
2 cans of SpaghettiOs and meatballs.
Those are Adrian's favorite.
Yes. I'm done. We have some Bush's Steakhouse recipe. Some Old El Paso traditional refried beans. Some chicken of the sea chub mackerel. I love mackerel.
I'm gonna make mackerel cakes. I haven't. My mom always made those. Actually, we're making them tomorrow.
So make sure you stay tuned for our What's for Dinner. We have some pork joel bake.
This is pork jowl, so they say that's gonna go into the black eyed peas.
We have 2 cans of. We have a Rotel original diced tomatoes and green chilies, and we have a Rotel mild diced tomatoes and green chilies.
I don't know if it really will matter much, but
we have some Great Value milk. We're in No Swing today when we were shopping. This lady was checking out, and she accidentally dropped her bag that had the milk in it, and milk went all over the floor.
Oh, it was bad, wasn't it?
It was crazy. They had to get like the big vacuum out.
Like that big machine they drive on to clean it.
We got some Armor lunch makers. We have a turkey one for me and a pepperoni one for my brother, whichever one he wants. We have some Texas restaurant style salsa.
Very good. I like it.
We had the Fritos bean dip. Oh.
We didn't buy these today. I accidentally pulled it out.
Well, don't say. We have some Fritos bean dip because me, my mom, my brothers, we've all been wanting that. We have some cream cheese cinnamon rolls because, guys, we are going to be doing a What's for Breakfast because a subscriber recommended that.
Oh yeah, someone did ask if we would show what we eat for breakfast, so
yeah.
We have some ideas we're going to show this.
We forgot
for
to
this
make
week.
Ours today, though.
Yeah, we didn't make breakfast today, but we will the next few days.
We have 3 Roma tomatoes, a bag of nacho cheese Doritos. My dad loves Doritos. Some Cool Ranch Doritos because that will taste really good with
Oh
bean
yes,
dip.
it's so good with bean dip. Yes. I used to always eat Fritos. Now I'm like, forget Fritos. We're going to get ranch style Doritos.
Yeah, we have some lettuce. We have a cucumber because I love cucumbers. We have a bell pepper. Some balloon corn mesa tortilla chips. We didn't think it'd be a difference if we got another.
We just thought it'd be fun.
Yeah,
Right?
we just got those, yeah. We got some Velveeta slices, original. Takis Fuego, because I love Takis. Me and my brother love Takis, and we never get Takis because Mom never buys them.
Today I was nice and I bought them. We've been on a budget, so today I let her have something she wanted.
Great Value, Southern style O'Brien hash browns with onions and peppers. Some taters.
They're tater tots with the Walmart brand. Great Value. Yes. And we're going to do something fun for breakfast with those.
And then we have a Tony's Meat Trio little pizza. Is that all we got, Mommy?
Yep, that's all we got.
So, guys.
Oh, I have something I want to show you. I'm going to pause it. Okay, y'all. We wanted to show y'all a few things like meat. We were blessed. My mother-in-law gave us some hamburger meat. We've got those 3 packages. And then this is like the beef for beefsteak ranchero. It's just cubed up meat. And then my sister brought us some food. We have some things we're going to make some meals with eventually. Pork loin. I've never made salmon, but we've got some salmon. So we've had a few things like just given that my sister brought to us. And some different things here. We got waffle fries. So yeah. Oh, and we also have a huge ham down here, y'all. A huge ham.
Huge.
It's huge. But anyways.
So let's go in here.
We're gonna go back in here. So I just thought I'd show y'all. That's why we're not buying as much meat, because we've been blessed with some meat that was given to us.
So guys, before y'all go, make sure you subscribe. Push the bell down. The post notification bell. Like this video. If you watched the whole video, comment down below if you liked it. And we will see y'all in our next one.
Bye. Thank y'all.
Yeah.